What's up, everybody? It's Rich from Problem Solved. I wanted to do a quick video because recently I had some issues. My key fob, I have a Dodge Durango, the key fob was acting up, right? So I don't know why it wasn't immediately apparent to me. I mean, hindsight's 20/20, right? So now it's pretty obvious, but I was starting to act up. It wasn't, I'd be standing right in front of the rear door, press the button, it wouldn't open. I'd be right next to the vehicle, press the button on the handle, it wouldn't lock, wouldn't unlock. You're supposed to touch the handle and it'll unlock. I'd be in the vehicle, the vehicle be saying key fob left the vehicle or not detected. So turns out it should have been obvious, but in case anyone else has got the same issue and starts searching, problem was the battery. So obviously, if the battery's going dead, then it makes sense. I started thinking I dropped the key fob, I lent it to somebody and they dropped it. I was looking for somebody to blame. And then I started thinking I'm gonna, actually think I got to return it to the dealer. I don't know why it wasn't immediately obvious. So I thought I'll make the video because I'm sure to someone else it's probably the same. I've had several vehicles with key fobs and had to change batteries. So it just takes a bit of time for this to happen. So I guess you kind of forget when it starts happening, especially on a different vehicle. But I found with the Dodge, you have this emergency key. You could get that emergency key out and use it to open the key fob. So I thought I'd make this video real simple. You don't need any extra tools. You have that emergency key already built into the key fob. So once you kind of split it open, as I did in this video, then there's a slot on this the battery, the coin battery. There's a little slot in this spot here where I'm prying. Very carefully. Obviously, you don't want to fling the battery or break anything. It is a little delicate electronics in there, but you just want to pry up on the battery. Take note of the orientation, the position of the battery, which side is facing which way, and you can't go wrong. So this is a 2032. I think that's pretty standard. I believe it was a 2032. I have to double check. 2035 could be, but whatever it is, usually says on the battery. And you replace with the same exact battery and you should have no problem at all. So it's like, duh, obviously, after I switched the battery out, everything started working like a charm. I could start the car while the key fob was in it. I could press the door handle and it would lock or unlock. It would open the back door when I was standing right near it, and it would lock the vehicle, from a distance. So that was obviously the issue. It was a quick, easy fix. I guess dumb on my part, but you know what? It happens. A lot going on, a lot on your mind. It's not immediately apparent, so I hope this helps someone else out if they're having some trouble with their key fob. And thanks again for watching. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I always like to reply and look at anybody's comments. So I'll see you on the next one.